Hi, can you tell us who you are and what you do?
I'm Matias Pan. I'm a software engineer at Dagger from Argentina. I do all things infra and whatever problem we need to solve. When I heard that the Docker founders were trying to solve something about CI, I was a little bit intrigued. CI for me was this thing that it was just supposed to suck and it was just supposed to be a pain. So when I started looking at what they were doing and seeing that it doesn't have to hurt and it can be fun to work on CI, I said, okay, maybe it would be a good idea to join.
I know you're somebody who's actually run DevOps and CI/CD. Can you share a little bit about why people are frustrated and why folks are coming to Dagger?
First of all, it starts with YAML, which to begin with is very simple, but over time it grows into something complex. You get to a point where you can't manage it anymore. The second part is running. CI/CD at scale is hard. That's why people love GitHub Actions, Circle CI, Jenkins, even to some extent, but they all fall short. So once you get to a certain stage, you realize that I wish there was something simpler, that's simpler to configure, simpler to run, and simpler to understand when it does so.
CI hasn't changed in 20 years, and the problems like the push and pray issue, I'm feeling it every day, and being able to improve it and impact other developers' life is amazing.
Hello, I'm Sam. I co-founded Dagger and I'm running the engineering and product developments at Dagger. Culture is what matters the most in the company, and a strong culture means you create a space in which people want to work together to create something innovative, something exciting, something that doesn't feel like a job, something that you're proud of being part of. That's the most important aspect of the company. It's really the foundation.
Joining as a new person in the company, one of the things that internally we do is that when you're doing a pull request or you're working on something, everything happens via a comment, everything is in a way written down. When you're joining as someone that is not familiar even with the entire team initially, being able to start jumping into some random PR, seeing what kind of discussions they're having, and then using that as a way to onboard yourself is very nice.
Even though it has its challenges, right? Because language and time zones and all that, which we all know. What I like is that you know different cultures, right? You know people that have different backgrounds, maybe they like different things, which is amazing. And sometimes you get to travel to those countries to actually know them and meet them.
If you want to join Dagger at some point, you need to have the maintainer mindset.